So ito yung bed ni Adam. Ayan. So natapos na natin guys. Ay. Ayan. Ito yung wardrobe. Wala naman yan. Ayan. Ito. Ay, the ringkot of Adam. See? Dito palang ringkot ni Adam. Oh. Ay, we get this one. So yan guys, nandito kami ni Rusty sa toy shower. Every 2 days lang pinaliguan ko si Rusty, not every day. Ayan, samahan niyo kami. Good morning, Ben Fam! Say good morning!
Morning, best fun.
This is Mommy,
Best
and this is my big fella, Lucas, and this is Rusty! Again, good morning,
Morning.
No bashing. It's Bem Fam! Dahil dito sa Bem Fam, pamilya mo na rin
Mother can
kami! Yan, yan.
Welcome to Ben Fam. Kwento ng buhay, masaya magulo, pero puno ng kulay dito sa Australia. Sama-sama kami sa bawat araw, kaibahagi rin. Sige, Ben Fam, tara na makiride. Kwento namin, kwento mo rin worldwide. Cooking, parenting, caravan plans, this is a journey. We're the Ben Fam.
Ayan, and this is Rusty after shower and blower. And hirap magkaroon ng aso guys. Okay lang sana you have 1 kid, but if you have 4 kids, tapos yun, may aso pa, isa lang talagang hirap yan. Medyo, ano talaga yung hair ni Rusty, thick. Ayan. Hello, Ben Fam. Don't forget, hello, Ben Fam. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, init. Ayan, samahan niyo ako magsampay ah. Ang ganda na ng ating backyard guys. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Ngayon na. Ayan. Wow, sarap talaga sa mata no pag nakakat na yung ano, grass. Ayan. Rusty. So dito tayo nagsasampay. So ang ganda ng weather today. Thank you Lord. Medyo mainit pero at least 'di ba? Ayan, samahan niyo ako magsampay. Diyan lang kayo ha, saglit. Ay, salamat. Ay, may second batch pala. Ayan. Balik na lang tayo sa loob, guys. Salamat at sinamahan niyo ako. Diyan lang kayo ha. Dito si Lucas. Come on, Lucas. Dito pala. Rusty! Come on. Just mga partner ko, guys. Oh. Dami pa tayong gagawin guys. Mag-blower muna ako sa aking hair. Ayan, kakatapos lang pala. Ay, tapos na pala ako naligo. Ayan. Lagay mo tayo ng towel. Saglit lang. Ayan, back to ano na naman tayo sa towel. Ito yung second batch kanina. Diba yung unang batch na ano na natin nasampay. So ayan, towels. So ayan, samahan nyo na naman ako. O gusto nyo bang sumama? Sampay na naman tayo. Init. 4 o'clock na. So, dumating tayo dito mga 4 o'clock. Kasi 3 o'clock yung labasan. 3:10. Ayan. So, yung nga sabi ko, medyo malayo yung school nila, guys. Kabem fam. Ay, bukas na naman ako mag-ano, guys. Bukas na naman ako mag-washing. So, ayan, saglit lang. Check natin yung mga bata. Ay, init. Parang ano na naman, summer. Ayan. Back to nanay na naman tayo. After natin tawag nito, After natin na-pick up yung mga kids, students, nandito na naman tayo sa bahay. Thank you Lord, you arrived safe. Samahan nyo na naman ako guys ha, dito magsampay. Alam ko, sa mga bagong followers natin dyan, at sa mga coming na followers, subscribers pala. Ayan. Saglit lang. So dito tayo nagsasampay. Ayan, ang ganda na oh. Ayan. So ilagay ko kayo dyan ha, saglit. Medyo marumi pa naman tong ano. Ayan. So dito tayo nagsasampay. So yun nga, si Lucas tulog pa. So kakarating lang natin. Yun, pagod ako guys. So hindi ako naglinis kanina sa bahay. Pero sa room ng mga bata, natapos na natin na linisan at na-change. Ay, kay Darius lang yung change yung beddings kasi bago naman yung beddings nila. So ayan. Diyan lang kayo ha. Samahan niyo ako. So ang ganda ng weather. It's 27 degrees. Yeah. 27 degrees today. Yan. Yan na kayong sumama kasi ang init. Wala pa naman kayong sunscreen. Ayan, nag-sunscreen ako. Rosma yung gamit natin sa saglit lang ha. Kunin muna natin. Ay, salamat. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung first sampay natin kanina. Upo muna tayo dito. May ma-share lang ako mga Benfam. So, tayong mga nanay, no? Ay, ako lang ba? Alam ko, tayong mga nanay, anong tawag nito? Walang katapusang mga gawaing bahay. So talaga, diyan mo mararamdaman na feeling ng magiging isang ina. Lalo na may mga kids ka. Kaya gusto ko magpapasalamat kay mama. Kasi lima kami magkakapatid at wala na kaming papa. At binuhay talaga kami ni mama, hindi man kami marangyang buhay. At least, di ba, nakatapos din kami ng pag-aaral sa tulong ng aking kapatid na lalaki. So, ayan. Gusto ko lang magpapasalamat. At saludo ako sa lahat ng mga nanay, mami, ano tawag yan, lula. Hindi lang sa mga nanay ha, sa mga tatay. Behind the back of the family is yung mga tatay talaga. Saludo ako sa lahat ng mga tatay, to all fathers, daddy, to my husband. I'm very proud and very salute of my husband because he's always look after us, not look after me, the kids and everything. It's not easy to find a money. It's not easy to look after the kids. It's not easy to pay the bills. So saludo ako sa lahat ng mga tatay. Hindi lang tayo mga nanay. Number one is ang mga tatay din. So patas. Mas grabe yung ano ng mga tatay kasi sila yung nagpo-provide ng financial. Mahirap. Sa atin, physical naman, di ba? Ayan. Na-share ko lang. Tapos, ayan, tayo mga nanay, hindi nawawalan ng trabaho. So ngayon, treat ko na naman sarili ko mag-edit. So yung editing lang yung ano ko, nakakawala ng stress. So baka mamaya mag-ano kami ni Lucas, mag-study. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin doon sa study para focus si Lucas. Tsaka wag na kasi marumi pa yung bahay, yung kalat. So yan, napakita ko na kanina sa inyo yung mga room ng mga bata. Baka mamaya ko na to anuhin, tawag nito, tupiin. Yung nga sabi ko, ang relaxing time ko kasi maya-maya magdi-dinner na naman. Luluto na naman ako ng dinner. Tapos diligan natin yung mga yung mga plants. So mamaya na nakabempam ha. Saglit lang, update kayo mamaya. Ay, si Rasta din ako. Ako din, guys! Hello, Bemfam! Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. So, continuation ng ating vlog. So, ngayon lang tayo nakapag-update at late na tayo nag-vlog kasi yun nga, busy tayo as a mother of 4. So, today, as you can see a while ago, naghahanda na tayo ka Bemfam kasi malapit na tayong mag-caravan trip again. So, sino excited? So, napaka-excited natin. So, yan yung abangan nyo kung saan tayo pupunta. So ngayon, I will help first my husband to out this caravan para isin na lang ka Bemfam. Dito na pala si Mr. So ayan. So we will see. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano niya ito ilalabas. Para mabilis na lang para yan. Ikabit-kabit na. Hindi ko alam anong kabit-kabit sa English guys. So, ayan. Maybe you want to help that when you do that. So ganito niya inaano yung So makuti din, hindi basa-basa magkaroon ng guys, caravan. Pero pag master na, I think easier na. Mabigat kasi yung caravan. Ay, mamaya na. I need to, muna, help.
In the back, you can't see anything.
Hindi basta-basta magkaroon ng caravan guys. Hirap. Ay, salamat. Natapos na din ni Mr. guys. Sus, napaka to guys, napaka useful itong Parkit 360. Ayan. Parkit 360. Parkits 360. Napaka useful, ayan. Napaka useful siya guys, as in. Very siya, useful.
Caravan mover.
Caravan mover,
Mover.
mover. They call it caravan mover pala siya guys.
But this is for the heavy duty.
Heavy duty, yeah. Good for
Good for 4.5 ton.
So,
But I need it because it's a little hill.
high five, mister.
And I was smart because I keep the brake on a little bit so I just slide down the hill.
So, yun yung, kung may caravan kayo, very useful this one.
To get the tight spot, yeah.
Ayan, makunin na yan. Ilagay pala ni Misa yung ganyan. So, tawag pala nito is caravan mover for heavy duty. Ayan. So, good for caravan talaga siya. Kasi pag car lang, no chance. Yeah, rest muna daw si Mr. guys. Very hot. Again, kanina umuulan. Ngayon, napakainit. So, dito muna namin ilagay yung mga bike. Ayan.
Are you gonna behave, Lucas?
Saglit lang guys, kasi maglinis muna ako saglit.
Didn't I tell you? You never.
Init.
Never. The coconut slushy.
Slushy machine.
I want that. Pick it up.
What they call this one? Ninja.
Ninja slushy. Is that Ninja?
What is my car?
I think it's Ninja slushy.
Ninja Slushy. So yan nga guys, bumili pala si Mr. ng Ninja Slushy. Ayan. Yung parang nasa 7-Eleven. Ayan. Ano to siya? Flavor ng Coco Bella. I like the Coco Bella guys. So binili to ni Mr. kahapon. How much you buy that one?
You don't have any, Adam?
Yeah. Yesterday, bumili siya ng, hindi na natin na-unboxing guys. 300? 300.
No, $2.94 or something like that.
$300 daw to guys. Ayan.
That rice always starting up.
Try nga natin guys. Lagay ko kayo dyan.
Oh, that yummy that.
I think you like the other one because it's not as sweet. Take the spoon. Or spoon.
One. What's for the one?
Coconut yung flavor na.
Adam, you don't have it. Look, because that's it.
You don't do your work.
I think I just want it. No. Ako,
Good for Summer. Maganda to sa Pinas.
But it's almost winter.
Yung time pa bunta eh. Lapit na. Plenty customer guys. Oh.
Hello, I'll buy $500.
Slush machine. How much? $5? $5?
Wood.
We did not take anything.
$5?
Did not take us back.
$5?
It's the best in the universe. It's
What is that? What?
Yummy.
Be, tell them what taste.
It's so yummy, and
Yes.
it tastes like coconut icy.
You're studying. Are you studying or not?
I said.
Are you going to do your times tables today?
Si Adam kasi,
Broccoli.
pinaano namin si Adam, times table kasi hindi na niya memorize.
Alam.
Times table. Ayaw bigyan namin kasi. Mikela, mama is talking in the guys. Yung nga sabi ko, si Adam, ayaw na naman mag-study guys ng times table.
That's a sauce.
Ayan si Lucas, go.
Thirsty.
Naglinis pala ako ng bahay, hindi pa na ano yan. Change ko ng cover yung ano natin couch. Ayan. Palitan natin guys. So, pasensya na kayo if the house is messy. Ganun talaga. If you have kids guys. Pero ano naman,
Guys, you want to go outside?
papalitan ko ng cover. So, drink muna tayo ng...
Guys, you want to go outside?
How Dayos? Good?
Better with
tell them.
ice.
Better with ice?
Guys,
So, saglit lang guys.
guys, I don't wanna.
Dito na yung lulo nila guys. Study na naman sila.
That's mental.
Sarap siya. With straw. Guys, andito si Adam guys. So, loading. Say hi guys. They like the way you talk. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Today we are having what was it?
Coconut.
Coconut slushy, and it's pretty yummy, but a little bit yucky.
But guys, you know what? Today is Adam. He's doing his times table. He's very smart, guys. I will ask him
Seriously?
after. He will do a times table, guys, because he wants to become a what you want when you go engineer,
Lawyer.
guys. He wants to become a lawyer. How
But
about
don't say after the vlogs. He wants to become a lawyer too.
you say. Secret, guys. He wants to become a lawyer.
Oh, cool. Adam, backyard.
Tingnan naman si Adam, guys.
Dad, he said you can trust.
Sige na guys. In order na lang kasi nag-memorize siya ng times table guys. In order 8 times 1 times 8.
Guys, it's so yummy.
Sige na Adam. Tingnan ang bata guys. Sige na.
Air conditioner working?
Working.
Not using much.
It's yung ano natin tayo. Adam, sige na Adam. Ganun yan talaga si Adam guys pag hindi niya alam yung number. Come on Adam.
83.
Okay Adam. 3 times 9.
Mom, I said not in order.
Not in order. Okay, 1 times 9.
9,
2 times 9.
18,
3 times 9.
27,
4 times 9.
36,
5 times 9.
45,
6 times 9.
54,
7 times 9.
63,
8 times 9.
72,
9 times 9.
81,
10 times 9.
90.
11 times 9. Ready guys?
And here I go again.
It's okay. Can you open it? I'm warm. What's that? Warm naman noon kay.
Yeah, because I'm praying.
You're praying for what?
Stop brushing my hair.
You want Mickey ruin it? Mickey, don't do it.
Ganito din ba kayo guys?
Daddy, can Lucas open Rusty?
Yeah, you can open Rusty, look.
My only girl.
You dumb.
My only girl guys. Brothers, yung bully ay. No, don't do that. Ay, thank God! Thank God.
Bye, Mom.
Not yet, not yet. Happy?
Does it hurt?
Happy?
No.
Go na.
Bye, Dummy.
What? Guys, what can you say about your sisters here?
She's so ugly with her doesn't go to school.
Sige na, what can you say, Dayos?
I can say.
Oh, thank God, I'm done of this, Mikaela. Every day talaga yan, guys. Every papasok ng school, before papasok ng school, ganyan si Mikaela. It takes 2 hours kami, guys. Sinong relate dyan? Ganyan. Ganyan kami. Ay, saglit lang. Life with a mommy with a 4 kids. 1, 2, 3. Pasensya na kayo guys sa basket. Baka may magko-comment na naman na Pinay mom in Korea. Ay, Pinay mom ko na. Pinay mom in Australia. Maraming mga basket daw. Magulo daw yung bahay. Hindi nyo naman talaga alam kung ano nangyari. Everyday talaga ako naglilinis ng bahay. Kaya lang, I have 4 kids. Yun na nga. Ayan, dumi na naman guys. Marumi. Ay, hindi na siya marumi. Messy lang yan. Baka ano ko lang yan. Because there's someone comment me that Pinay mom in Australia, their house is messy. What can you say about dirty? What can you say about the
Who
bushes?
said that to us?
Them. What can you say about them? God bless. Is it mommy is not always cleaning the house or what?
They should never say our house is dirty.
Daddy said, what can you say about that, Adam? The one who said that our house is clean, dirty. No, not dirty, eh? What can you say? Pastor, loading na naman to si Adam. Oy!
Okay, I will say that we need more toys.
Ah, tayo ba, oy? Loading. Saglit lang, guys. Ayan, guys, good morning. Very cold morning. Teka lang, hanap muna tayo ng kiss. Bintahan natin si Mikaela. Say hey, Raste! So, umuulan siya kanina umaga. So, time check is 7 o'clock. Adam, kiss si Mami. Loading na naman to si Adam, guys. Kiss.
Isang simpleng nanay dito sa Australia. May 4 na anak.
At the car.
Mikaela. Mikaela! Okay. Kiss si Mami, ke.
Hindi man perpekto ang buhay na dala. Basta't magkakasama, sapat na ang saya. May asawang mahal na laging karamay sa hirap at ginhawa.
Ayan, dito na pala yung caravan natin, guys. Oh, naka-ready na. Sana matuloy tayo kasi yun nga, nagkakaproblema na tayo sa fuel dito, guys. Kasi sabi ng Prime Minister, we stay in the house lang daw, everybody, if you need to. Kasi yun nga, baka, yun nga, kulang sa fuel. Sana maging okay ng lahat. Eh, wala na sanang war, guys. Peace na sana ng buong mundo. Stop, Lucas. Wait. Ito naman si Lucas. Early naman siya gumising, guys.
Isang nanay, isang vlog, isang kwento ng buhay. Pinay mom sa Australia.
Bye, you guys. And this
Adam.
Mommy, Snake, Adam, Dad, and